Hello, I would like to make a review about red raspberry seed oil. It's by Botanical Beauty and it's completely virgin and unrefined. So it means it's 100% pure, and it means it's undiluted. So it means it doesn't mix with anything else. So what's so good about this oil, that it acts as a natural sunscreen and has vitamin E in it. It's really good for diminishing scars and lines. It's very good for the burns and cuts. I personally use it for my face. I use it morning and night. And in the morning I do use it before the makeup because it has a natural sunscreen, so I don't need to worry about my skin. And I want to show you how it looks like. It comes in a dark bottle like this. It has a pump, so it's very easy to use it. It's very sanitary. So you just squeeze it and drop it too like this. You can see it's very light in color. It's amber. And what you do, you just rub it in. You can use it by itself, or you can use it with the mix with all kind of creams, facial serums. You can add it to masks as well. And what I like about this oil is you can see after you apply it, it doesn't actually have a greasy film. The way it absorbs, it has a very nice matte finish, and that's what I like about this oil. And Botanical Beauty red raspberry seed oil comes with the expiration date as well, so it's very handy to have. And overall, I'm very pleased with the results. I've tried several companies, but this one so far is my favorite, so you can give it a try, guys.